In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn this into this, with inspiration from this. Hey there, Kristy here, welcome. Here I'm saving money by just building things around my house myself and just learning how to do it along the way. And on this channel, I hope to inspire you that if this mom with zero experience can just build simple stuff, then you can too, while using simple plans and simple tools and keeping things at a fraction of retail cost. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. The best part about building your own furniture for me is that you can get the exact measurements that you want. My sofa sits pretty deep, so I needed something that was long and narrow. So coming up with the measurements myself created the perfect fit. I have a bunch of scrap wood. I pulled apart some pallets a while back, so that's what we'll be using for this project here. However, you can easily build these end tables using 1x4 boards, and I'll leave the details in the description box. First, I'm starting by cutting the legs. I found a size guideline on Wayfair's website that suggested end tables should be within 2 inches of a sofa's arm height. So for example, my sofa arm is 24 inches tall, making an end table anywhere between 22 to 26 inches high ideal. So here, I'm assembling the legs using wood glue first, and attaching 2 leg pieces together so that they create an L shape. And then just fastening the boards together using 1 1/4 inch nails and my nailer. And I'm just using a rag to wipe off the excess glue. And then just repeating those same steps for all 4 legs. Next, I'm attaching the short aprons. Here I'm showing you to attach the apron to the side of the leg without the seam, and then attaching it flush with the edge of the legs. And again, just fastening the 2 boards together using wood glue and 1 1/4 inch nails and a nailer. I'm probably using about 4 to 5 nails per leg to apron. Now I'm attaching short apron number 2 and measuring it 3 inches from the bottom. And then I'm just repeating these same steps to create 2 sides. I'm assembling this upside down, so now I'm attaching the long aprons, and paying special attention that these long aprons line up flush with the short aprons. Now I'm on to attaching the second set of long aprons. And again, I'm lining them up flush with the short aprons. Next, I'm going to flip this over right side up and make sure that the slats that I cut for the bottom shelf and the top fit. Everything looks good, so now I'm going to take these slats off and I'm going to attach them with wood glue and 1 1/4 inch nails and my nailer. As you can see here, these boards are old, weathered, warped, dirty, so I'm not looking for perfection here. To me, I think it's charming, it adds character, but if it's not your style, then just head over to the hardware store and pick up some 1x4 furring strips or common boards. I'll link a video below of the 8-foot long and narrow console table that I built, and using some stain, I was able to achieve this weathered look. And here I'm lightly dipping the brush into the can, wiping off the excess and dry brushing it on. This is chalk paint in the color called white linen. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos just like this. I post a new one every week. Details are in the description box in case you miss anything. And as always, if I can inspire just one person to pick up a drill, then these videos are worth it. Keep tackling those projects and we'll talk soon.